In the plant profile series of videos, today we will look at the purple sprouting broccoli. You can either buy transplants like these from your garden center or start the plants from seeds. When planting, I highly recommend using blood meal, an organic fertilizer rich in nitrogen that you can add into each planting hole before you plant your purple sprouting broccoli plants. We are planting our seedlings in raised beds, and the best time to plant broccoli is in the cooler fall or winter weather. Our raised bed already has a lot of organic matter and worm castings, and along with the added blood meal, our plants should be ready to take off soon. And at around 62 days since planting, you can see that our plant has lush green leaves. And because we planted it in the cool season, there's less threat of pests and diseases. This broccoli variety must be planted in full sun. And you can see how beautifully the plants have grown and produced lush leaves and a very healthy plant. Other than raised beds, we have also planted a few plants in containers that you see here. You can grow one broccoli plant in a 5-gallon pot like this for the best results. And here is another creative way to plant your purple sprouting broccoli plants, which is next to other plants in larger containers. These plants are around our 4-in-1 apple tree, and if you haven't checked out that video, I'll provide a link. It's a fascinating video on how to grow multiple apple varieties on a single tree. At 103 days since planting, we are ready for our first harvest. Look at this beautiful purple colored sprouting broccoli. It's just amazing. You can see that the head looks very different from broccoli, and sprouting broccoli is also called broccolini. And after harvesting the main head, you can continue to harvest the side florets throughout the season. You can look at our harvest of the purple sprouting broccoli here. They look amazing. Purple sprouting broccoli is rich in antioxidants and is a source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. And once again, you can see the side florets here. They are smaller, but you get a lot of florets. And they will keep growing throughout the season. Something interesting to note is that this purple sprouting broccoli variety is more sensitive to cold temperatures than broccoli, but less sensitive to hot temperatures. So this is one of the perfect crops to grow in USDA zones 9 and 10. Our plants are getting full sun and they are watered depending on the weather, more on the warmer days and less on cooler days. Cooler seasons like spring, fall, and winter are the best times to grow this plant. And even if you see some yellow flowers on your purple sprouting broccoli or broccolini, do not worry. You can still use it. They taste delicious. However, you should aim to harvest just before the florets turn into these yellow flowers. And there we have it. Smash that like button and let us know if you have grown this broccoli variety yet, or are you planning to grow it now that you know. We'll see you again soon. Happy gardening!